Hello, my name is Chris with Metroline Direct, and in today's video I'm going to go over how to set up ringtone overrides in IP Office Standard Mode. One thing to keep in mind is this will not work with most IP phones. This was tested with 1416 phones and 9508 phones. As you can see, I have an IP Office Standard Mode config open here. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the System and the Telephony tab, the Ringtone tab, and down here in the Ringtone plan, type in a name, and then assign the ringtone you want to it. In this case I'm going to use 5, and hit OK. And then there's two places where you can override the ringtone. You can do it in a group, select the main group, and you can see ringtone override. Change it there, or you can also change it in the incoming call route. Ringtone override, test, and OK. So that means any calls coming into this incoming call route having ringtone override, or any calls going to the main group will also have a ringtone override. That's it for my video today. If you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button highlighted here. And if you'd like to see future videos as they're posted, please hit the subscribe button highlighted here.